All right, friends, let's talk about the press-ons. I have some of this set on from my mixed mani, so we're just going to take a peek at it. This is what it looks like on the inside. Like I said, 30 sets in each. Comes in this, I don't know if you can see that, three trays. You've got your top layer, and if I can get this off, then you've got another layer that I'm afraid I'm going to dump all these. That it's numbered for each one. I'm going to pull one out, and you've got tabs on the bottom. This side goes down towards the cuticle, just like that. This is too big for my nail. And then, of course, your prep pad and cuticle pusher and nail file is in these too. So like I said, these don't need any glue. You just have to take off the back. We'll prep it and then put it on. And I'm actually going to do one with you, okay? All right, we're back. So you can see I've taken off both my pinkies. So we're gonna do another application of a press on this one, and we'll do an LED on this one. So when you start, you'll already push your cuticles back. You don't want to cut them or anything like that. Just use the cuticle pusher that is in your kit. Make sure all of that's pushed back. And you use your prep pad. If you don't have any of these, because you're using leftovers for your mixed mani, you can use just an alcohol swab too if you have any of those. So we're going to do each of these. This dries really fast, so you don't have to wait for too long. Next, I'm gonna size my my press-ons next. So we're gonna start with one that's too big so you can see what that looks like. This is a size 4, which obviously be too big. All right, so this one's gonna be obviously very too big. This is a size 4. This is what I normally use for like my middle finger. So what you do, so you would size it just like this. You'd lay it over your natural nail if it hits on either side of the skin. So if it hits on either side of your skin, it is too big. So we're gonna try a different one. So the size that I normally use is like a size 10 for my pinkies, and this is gonna be different for everybody. So we're gonna lay it on here, and you can see that it doesn't touch the skin on either side. So what we're gonna do is that we're just gonna peel this adhesive back, if I can. Take that little piece of plastic off, and we're gonna go in at a 45-degree angle just underneath the cuticle. Then you're gonna press on and give your finger a nail hug. You just wrap underneath, you'll hold for 45 seconds, and then you're done. That's it. I forgot one more thing. Once you have it on, there is a little nub at the end that you can kind of see if my camera will focus. That's just a manufacturing nub. All you have to do is just file that little guy off. And then you're officially ready to slay the day.